Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, creamy gum agua fresca. I know that you guys are going to love it, especially with this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To make this amazing and refreshing water, these are the ingredients. I have condensed milk, evaporated milk, granulated sugar, gum concentrate with color. The color is blue. Heavy whipping cream, water, milk, and ice. This is everything to make this amazing and refreshing, creamy water. Of course, I know that you guys are going to love it. So let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I'm putting it in my little jar, and then let's go to the stove. When the water turns a little bit yellow and there is no more sugar at all, then let's turn off the stove and let it rest until we need it. Now I want to start with the milks. I have here condensed milk, and of course I'm not going to leave anything behind. I'm getting all the condensed milk. I'm adding the evaporated milk. I am going to add the simple syrup to taste, and I'm adding the regular milk, adding the heavy whipping cream. And then let's just incorporate everything completely so that there is no lumps of milks. Once this is done, let's just taste it. Okay, it tastes delicious. We don't need to add any more sugar. Here I'm adding the gum concentrate, and I'm going to add a little bit at a time. I believe 2 tablespoons should be perfect. Look at this. The color is such a beautiful blue. I don't know if the camera really captures the color, but it looks amazing. Once this is done, let me show you how creamy this is. Let me show you from close up so that you see the beautiful color blue. Look at this. This refreshing agua fresca you are really going to love. And of course, this is the favorite for the kids. And now I am ready to start adding the water. Once you add the water, just incorporate it really good, and then it is ready to so that you could start pouring it into your pitcher. But here, let me show you how this looks. This is just perfection made at home with this hot weather. Who doesn't want a delicious, creamy, refreshing agua fresca made of the flavor of gum? Okay, I have my pitcher here. I am going to be very generous and I'm going to add a lot of ice. It is so hot here in California that I really want to enjoy this agua fresca nice and cold. And here I am just pouring the agua fresca. It looks amazing, and I am sure that it tastes delicious. Well, here I am ready. I am done, and now I am ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy and refreshing gum water that I know you guys are going to love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So creamy. The flavor of gum, just amazing. And of course, perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.